So first you want to start off by boiling your spaghetti noodles. I only use half of the box, but you can use the whole box if you need to. Next you want to start on your meat sauce. I added about a half a cup of diced onion and 1 pound of ground beef. And season to your liking. I'm using this blend of garlic, salt, and pepper. After you brown your meat, it is time to add your sauce. I'm using a jarred sauce. This is Prego's roasted garlic and herb, but you can make your own if you want. Now we're moving on to the Alfredo sauce. First you'll need to melt a half cup of butter in a large skillet. Once the butter has melted, add 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. You want to let this simmer over low heat for 2 minutes. Next, stir in 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, a half teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a half teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Then stir in 2 cups of Parmesan cheese until melted. Once your Parmesan cheese has melted, add all of your noodles to the sauce and mix together. In a baking dish, add your Alfredo noodles to the bottom. Then add your meat sauce mixture. And lastly, sprinkle mozzarella cheese over the top. I added some parsley on top for color, and I baked it on 375 until golden brown.